Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
A cough lasting more than 3 weeks can signal chronic bronchitis, asthma, whooping cough, or even tuberculosis. It might also be caused by postnasal drip or acid reflux. If your cough persists this long, see a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment. Don't ignore it. Your body is trying to tell you something important.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.